Shipping out products. So how do we ship out the products that we have just sold? So we've just found a product. Let's look at our beautiful product. Which one was it? Well, we found this mushroom bag right here. And we've also found this bag right here. So let's go over a couple different methods. Okay, so the simplest form is we have been looking on AliExpress for this product. We can just buy it on AliExpress and ship it directly to the person. Okay, so we click buy now, we enter our credit card details, but we enter the delivery address as the person's address, which we get when they buy it. Okay, so the model is drop shipping. So we don't buy bulk stock. We ship it directly to the end consumer when they purchase from us. Okay, so we've already got the money. So someone's just spent £140 on this bag. Say Karen from Slough has just spent £140 on this bag. We come over to AliExpress. We go, Karen from Slough, blah, blah, blah. Cool. We buy with our credit card and we ship it to Karen in Slough. She gets it. She's all good. She's all happy. Okay. If we're doing this method, we tell the supplier to not include any markings that it's made in China, not to include any receipts or any branding kind of stuff. And that's a big important thing as well. We do that obviously, right? So that's the first method. So the second way to do this is by using AutoDS or CJ Dropshipping or a very similar website. So with these websites, they're basically kind of a pretty version of AliExpress that typically offer better pricing and offer faster shipping. Normally with a website like CJ or AutoDS, they offer faster shipping with better tracking options as a default, okay? So these are very good. CJ Dropshipping, I've used it many times before. They are marketplaces, these things, like people sell on the platform, so bear that in mind. But they are kind of good. They have a resolution system and stuff like this. Currently, when I'm filming this video, there's no direct connection with it. So you can't directly connect with CJ using your Etsy store. You used to be able to do it, can't do it anymore, but you can still enter your orders manually or you can pay a virtual assistant to do this. That's the same thing with AliExpress. You're gonna have to do it manually. There's no automatic connection to automatically do it and sync your tracking numbers at the same time as well, which is very unfortunate, but it's just part of the game. It's a little bit inconvenient, but it's part of the game, okay? And the best way to do it, but something that I'd really recommend if you're a little bit further on, I don't recommend this right in the beginning. Right in the beginning, use AliExpress, use CJ Dropshipping, AutoDS, something else, right? But when you're a little bit beyond those stages, I would really recommend to use a private supplier, okay? So a private supplier, again, if you join the free Etsy guide or you join Etsy Kings, we have private suppliers. I'll put a thing about private suppliers in free Etsy guide as well, like a guide to find private suppliers. And we have private suppliers inside of Etsy Kings, which is my private program. But private suppliers are people that aren't necessarily on AliExpress and they aren't a CJ dropshipping website, anything like this. A common way to find private suppliers is by using Upwork. There's a bunch of different methods as well, but it's a common way. And you post a job request on there, you find a private supplier. So this way you're able to do a direct connection, okay? So you're able to directly connect with Etsy and your private supplier so they can see the order, they ship it out. You don't even have to tell them shit, they just directly do it for you. They will be cheaper and they potentially will even be faster than both of those options as well. So that's a very good option right there. That's typically what I recommend. Shipping products, TLDR, quick summary. Use AliExpress or CJ or AutoDS right in the beginning. Very simple. AliExpress will have all the products you need on it, but CJ or AutoDS will have typically cheaper pricing a little bit and faster delivery, which is a very important thing, okay?